Hi there, my name is Lindsay. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark and also The Real Real. I post mystery unboxing videos every Monday and Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern. So if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so and don't forget to hit the bell notification for me. Today I'm going to be opening 2 denim boxes from Goodwill Blue Box. I did go ahead and order these when they had them on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. So I thought it would be a good opportunity to try this box again while it was on sale. I've had it a couple times before and I've done okay with the boxes. So I thought it was time to maybe order another one. I believe you get 10 to 12 pieces in this one. And the box does run $29.99, I believe. So I got one for $29.99 and then the other was half off and then it was $5 shipping. I believe they only charge me 1 shipping charge. If it's different, I'll post it in the screen, but I believe because I ordered them together, it was only 1. So these are interesting. Denim Division. Denim Division on Skin for Successful. And these are brand new with tag. So I don't know anything about this. They are a size 32. And they are made in Colombia. Dark denim. And then they have some stitching on the pockets. There is some distressing. And then just kind of a straight leg. So I'm not sure if these are men's or women's. I'm thinking women's, but I will have to look up that brand. If you know anything about it, please let me know. So that was number 1. These are Forever 21. These are also brand new. And these are a size 34 women's. And these are, you know, like a mom jean type of style. Really faded. And they have a wider leg and a lot of pockets, utility pockets. So those I might be able to get a stock photo for. So not the best brand, but with them being brand new, I think those might go for something. And probably a more updated style than getting skinny jeans, which I am still wearing, by the way. Well, not now because it's summer, but that's all I have. So I definitely need to get some new jeans myself. These are a size 38 Evolution in Design. And these are just a denim short. So they look like they're in good condition. I don't know anything about that brand. There might be some marks here, but not too big of a deal. So I'll move those over. Next we have a pair of Goodfellow & Co. And these are a 40 by 30. Oh, these are a men's black jean. Just kind of a straight leg. And they also look like they're in good shape. Again, I don't know anything about that brand. I don't know if you remember the last box I opened, but it was all like size women's 24. I had some really good brands in there, but the sizes were just very challenging. So it seems like we're getting a little bit more of a mix in this one. These are Old Navy and they're a 33 by 30, a slim built-in flex. So those, I'm assuming, are a men's jean. I think the women's are just a normal, you know, size 8, 10, 12 at Old Navy. Cheers, everybody. All right. A few more pieces here. Another pair of black jeans. These are Joe's jeans. Oh, good brand. And these are a size 36. So these may be women's. And these like don't really even feel like a denim material, like more of just a trouser. But they do have, you know, the 5 pockets and everything. So those look like they're in good shape. They have a little bit of a stretch to them. There may be a style name inside on the tag, so I'll look into that. Next we have a pair of shorts. These say made for a restless generation in a size 8. They look really small for a size 8. So maybe these are a kid's. I'm not sure, but I mean, they are pretty tiny. So unfortunately, I don't know much about any of these brands yet. We have another pair of shorts here. These are Gap, and these are a size 28, and they are a 5-inch inseam. So those aren't too bad. We have another pair of jeans. And these are California Vintage. Very light wash. And these are a size 7 or 28. So they are a skinny jean with some distressing. They're really soft and they do have some stretch to them. So hopefully those are a good brand. Next we have a Tush Push jeans. And these have a cool design on the pocket. And they are not a button fly, but they have a 3-button closure at the top. So that's kind of a cool detail. And they're again, though, just a skinny jean. And these are a size 13, so some kind of juniors brand. And we have a Old Navy Boyfriend mid-rise. These are a size 0. They're kind of a black faded, and then they have those embroidered flowers on them. Those are cute. And for our last piece, we have another pair of shorts. These are Massimo Supply 13, and that says fit 6. So I don't know if that fits a size 6, but they look bigger than a 6. So like a junior 13. So floral pattern. So I think this box was pretty good. You know, everything seems to be in pretty good condition. We got a variety of sizes. We have one with these, 2, 3, 4 with these Tush Push, 5 with these California Vintage, 6 with the Gap, 7 with the Joe's jeans, the black, 8 with the Old Navy jeans, 9 with the Goodfellow & Co., 10 with the Forever 21s, 11 with these OnSkin jeans, and then 12 with the Evolution denim shorts. So fairly good box, I think, for the money. If most can be listed, it's you know, pretty small cost of goods. So what we'll do now is open the second box and compare the two and see if these were worth ordering. Okay, so I just got the second box open and I just moved it out of the way. So I did get an invoice in this one. So the first box was $29.99 and the second one was $15, and they did charge me $10 to ship them. So they did come separately, so I'm okay with that. There was $3.30 in tax, so a grand total of $58.29. So, I mean, I think we're going to be, you know, around a $2 to $3 cost of goods if everything can be listed. So that is not too bad. So we'll dig into the second one and see if it's comparable or hopefully a little bit better. These are Gloria Vanderbilt, new with tag. And these are a 22W and they're Manda wide leg crop. So great size. You know, this Gloria Vanderbilt is very well known for the jeans. I don't think they are going to resell for a ton, but, you know, I'm sure that people who wear this brand, you know, continue to wear it. So with these being brand new, I think those will do okay. They have an all-around slimming effect, and they're the Amanda style. So we'll move that over here. Next we have a pair of Dickies, and these are also brand new, a 34-32. They are the original fit. I'm not sure how much those might go for, but love that they're new with tag. And if you guys see anything that you're interested in that's not listed on my Poshmark closet, feel free to send me an email. I do have my email address in the description box. These are Forever 21 and they're a size 24. A very skinny leg stretch, and they do have the distressed knees. Those will go very well with all the other small jeans in my closet currently. Next we have a pair of Gap, and these are a 36-30 skinny. Those look to be okay. I guess the tricky part in some of these would be finding out if they're men's or women's. Maybe you can tell by finding the style number. Next we have a Khakis & Company in a size 6. This is a denim skirt. It's kind of a knee length and it's kind of an A-line. Looks like it's in good condition. Might be a little bit of a mark on it. I wonder if that's vintage. It kind of looks like a vintage tag on there. These are Articles of Society. And these are a size 30. So definitely must have a lot of stretch in these because they look small. Another skinny leg. I don't know anything about that brand. Next we have Kenzie jeans. Kenzie's a good brand. And these are a light wash. And they do have a little slit at the ankle. They're a size 10. And I could maybe look those up by the style number to see what they are. They kind of look like a mid-rise stretch. Got a few more pieces here. Next we have a pair of shorts. These are Celebrity Pink. Denim shorts with some distressing. And these are a size 9, 29. So must be a juniors brand. Next we have a denim skirt. This is indigo row in a size 5. So that's at least a little bit different with the button fly. That's cute. Next we have a pair of white shorts. And this is White House Black Market in a size 4. This is actually a white denim skirt. There's some minor spots on that one. I'll have to wash it and see if I can get it out. Just some yellowing in some areas. Next we have a pair of Gap Boyfriend Fit, so that's good. A different kind of style. And these are a size 4. They look like pretty comfy, really soft, some distressing. So those are good. And lastly, we have a pair of Levi's, and these are $34.29. So they are in good condition, the 502 style. So not bad. I think overall these 2 boxes were very good. Even if you can sell a few things out of each one, you know, you'll certainly be making your money back and then into profit territory. So for the second box, we had 1 with the Levi's, 2 with the Gap Boyfriends, 3 with the White House Black Market, 4 with the denim skirt, 5 with the celebrity pink shorts, 6 with the Kenzie jeans, 7 with the Articles of Society, 8 with the Khakis and Company skirt, 9 with the Gap skinny jeans, 10 with the Forever 21 jeans, 11 with the Dickies, and 12 with the Gloria Vanderbilt. So let me know in the comments what box you thought was better, 1 or 2. Let me know your thoughts overall, if you think it was worth the money. Again, the total for me on both of these boxes, including shipping and taxes, was $58.29. Let me know if you picked these up during the sale. I appreciate you tuning in. I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.